We're in the east end of Pittsburgh at the UPMC Health Plan Neighborhood Center for a sponsor spotlight. And to learn more about what they do inside here, we're going to chat with the program director, Thomas Washington Jr., who should be here somewhere. Thomas, hey, how's it going?
On. How are you? How are you, bud?
Doing well. Well, tell me what happens. I can already tell it's very bustling in here. So, what happens at the neighborhood center?
Oh, everything happens at the neighborhood center. It's more or less a one-stop shop for health and wellness needs, community needs as well. So come in. We're welcome. Welcome. Come
All
in.
right. Yeah, let's see what's going on. It seems like there's a lot of activity. I see people eating, I see kids playing. So, you've been here about 7 months so far.
Yes. So over the last 244 days, we've serviced.
Not that anyone's counting. I love it.
Yes, yes. We got to keep a little count. We serviced over 3,500 individuals, either UPMC members or community members, through some format within the center.
And so, like, what's happening in here, for instance, in conference room B?
We have Seniors Going Strong workshop. Seniors are learning about how they can better their health. A lot of things linked to Alzheimer's and really helping the caregivers. This program is actually based out of the Hazelwood area. So we are privileged through Miss Terry Shields to have this program here.
That's awesome. And it's wild because you walk in here and there are really people of all ages here.
Yes. So we have everyone from zero all the way up until, the end of life. So, so we have tons of different people here through Literacy Pittsburgh. We have our citizenship class. They celebrate everything wrapped around individuals receiving their citizenship. So,
Just as we were setting up, there's like a couple leaving who'd just been naturalized.
yes. So over this last month, they've had four individuals that's actually received their citizenship.
And now we're getting to the really fun stuff. You've got like a little playground in here. You've got a fake kitchen. You've got it all. Lots of toys.
So we have a drop-in childcare area, and this really was created to help individuals that were coming in. If you're utilizing services or any of our partners here, that you're able to bring your child as you're learning and getting all of the necessary education and areas of education needed. We have this here for your children, so they can play. And as you see, we have tons of paint everywhere.
And so you've been here 7 months so far. So I guess what has surprised you most in that time? I guess what didn't you expect?
The great response that we've received as of now. We have tons of partners. We started roughly with 20. We're up to over 30 partners now. We're really excited about the growth around the workforce development, education, and then even these enrichment programs that are here for a lot of the community itself. Our ultimate goal is really to improve people's health and wellness. Before you can do that, there's some underlining aspects that may not really truly involve health and wellness, right? So like housing or food stability. One of our partners are from the community food bank.
And you've had some important visitors too. The U.S. Surgeon General was here like a couple months ago for a visit.
Yes, Dr. Vivek Murthy talked a lot about the youth and mental health, and how we could improve that as a health system.
You didn't take a nap on like one of the bean bags over here or anything.
We were trying to. We were trying to get him.
Take a break. You're so busy. And over here you've got like almost little offices or something.
So we have co-working stations. So anyone can utilize the co-working stations. So usually we have roughly about 5 or 6 people per day that actually come in and utilize the services. But we have free internet and free print for anyone who would like to come in. It's not just for UPMC members or UPMC workers, but it's everyone. So if you're in the area, you don't feel like working at home, you can come here and work. We have our conference rooms that anyone can utilize. Any individual, organization, or business can come and utilize this at no cost. So everything in this center is at no cost to anyone. So I think that's another positive as well. And you don't have to be a UPMC member to utilize this space.
And you've already done so much, obviously. There's like so much happening behind us. I feel like we've seen like 1,000 people in the few minutes we've been here. But do you have any big plans for the future that you're excited about?
We're actually working with our team over at McGee. So we're actually doing doula services here and doula training. So that's something that we're really excited about. We're looking at, increasing our partnerships, across the community. But we're also looking to link to our pediatric practice, which, we can assist our Medicaid population and families. We're really just trying to get the word out more about this great neighborhood center. If you have not been able to come down or have a chance to see what we have here, please, I really encourage people to come out because we have a little bit for everyone.
And I know you don't do all this work by yourself. You've got a great staff. So is there anyone you want to shout out today?
Well, yep. I can't do anything without great individuals around me. So I definitely want to give a shout out, starting with Mr. Dan Lavalle, who is the Senior Director of Social Impact. If you see right here, our Connect Center and retail staff, starting with Fantasia Gilmore, Kiana Perkins, John Rago,
This is your Oscar acceptance speech. It feels like a
Definitely. And Eric Mulligan. For our community health workers, Justice Hill, Markeisha Jones, and then Jupiter Gonzalez. Thank you so much, Boaz, for giving me the opportunity to talk a little bit about our UPMC Health Plan Neighborhood Center. And hopefully you'll come and join us once again.
Yeah, well, thanks so much for having us. Thanks for the great tour. I learned a lot.